We are finally getting a freestyle event in Denmark, and I hope to see you there. It's going to happen the 3rd and 4th of June, and it's going to be in Silkeborg, Denmark, in what we call Lunden. It's going to be great. There are a lot of sponsors on board. I'll put their names somewhere around here. There are going to be giveaways, there are going to be goodie bags, and there are going to be a lot of other things. I'll show you the space in a minute. It's not set up, it's not prepped for flying, but we did it anyways. We had spotters, everything was in order. In the event, there are going to be built obstacles that you can fly around and do tricks and stuff like that. And it's going to be amazing. So I hope to see you there, 3rd and 4th of June, and let's get out there and get flying.
It ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. Screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. It's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. It ain't about money, it ain't about the coolest job. It's about having fun and love the ones that makes you shine. It's all about you, no matter what the others